What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management alongside my partner, Cassie McClenahan. And today we are going to discuss home warranties. Specifically, Cassie, I want to ask you, as a property owner, as someone who's about to rent their property, should I have a home warranty on my property?
That's a great question and one that I get asked a lot. And there are pros and cons to having a home warranty. And the biggest thing to remember is, right, a home warranty is not an emergency policy. So when you're dealing with tenants, especially in Arizona, you have a time frame in which you have to respond. Sometimes a home warranty company may not be able to respond in that time frame. So you might have additional expenses like compensating a tenant for, no air conditioning over the weekend, because when's it going to break? It's going to break on Friday night. So if there's additional delays caused by the home warranty company or additional out-of-pocket expenses that might not be covered by the home warranty, it's just something to consider. You could also take that money that you were going to spend on a home warranty and put it in your emergency repair fund for when and if, then that money stays in your pocket. So the answer is it depends. We try to work with home warranties when we have to, and we can further discuss additional questions. Just reach out.
Yeah, really, at the end of the day, I think what you're assessing is I'm going to pay a certain amount of money for this home warranty. If I choose not to spend that money, I run some risk or have some exposure that there's going to be a significant repair that's going to be costly. Now, the flip side of that is if I don't spend that money and save and maybe never have a repair, I come out ahead. So it is really very dependent on the property, its condition, how well it's maintained, its age. There's so many variables there. It also depends on the risk you're willing to take if you perceive it as risk, right? On that note, if you want to talk through this question or any others that you have around property management, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at Patriot Property Management.